why that seed you planted 2 weeks ago didn't germinate? It is common knowledge that the moon affects the tides of our oceans. But did you know that it also influences agriculture? Gardening by the phases of the moon is a tradition that has been around since the agricultural revolution. Since then, the tradition has increased in popularity. Scientists state that the water in both the ground and in plants are affected by the gravitational pull of the moon. Similarly, the tides are highest during the new and full moon phases. This idea is true for seeds as well. They will absorb the most water during these times. Therefore, it's recommended that seeds are planted during those times. But which type of seeds are best to plant during each phase? During the waxing phase, crops that mature above ground should be planted then. During the new moon phase, it's best to sow or transplant plants like lettuce, spinach, cabbage, or celery. During the first quarter phase, it's good for annual fruits and foods with external seeds such as tomatoes, pumpkins, and broccoli to be planted. When there are full moons in a single season, the third is coined a blue moon. Also, whenever 2 full moons appear in a single month, the second full moon is called a blue moon. Its rarity popularized a saying that you may have used but didn't really know its origin. Once in a blue moon. Although the moon doesn't actually appear blue. So if you're wondering why the seed you planted didn't germinate, you may have planted it at the wrong time. Seeds with hard shells tend to take more time to absorb. So the next time you decide to plant seeds, just read the sky. Or you can just read my Moringa blog. So click on the My Moringa logo to subscribe to our YouTube channel, My Moringa. Visit our website, mymoringa.org, to shop organic moringa products. Like and follow us on all social media platforms at My Moringa.